scientific study of Vedas, creation of universe, starting from Brahma. Class 29. In the last class, we have gone through electrons. Certain suttas that is related with the electron. Today also, we are going through such suttas which are related with the electron. Actually, there are 3 chandas attached to these suttas. Based on these chandas, we should decide whether which substance or regarding which substance and related with which subject it is going to explain. For example, here these suttas are speaking about GOKKAL. GOKKAL means cow. But as per chandas, there are 3 chandas. So, GOKKAL means based on these 3 chandas, it may be either it is applicable to cow, earth, and electron. We are going through electron. So, we are taking only based on those chandas which is related with the subject electron, or that chandas is Thrishtup. Thrishtup means it is related with the 3 fundamental quantities, fundamental particles, electron, proton, and neutron. Neutron is electron combination of electron and proton, so we can take it as electron, proton, and energy. So 3 things. That comes in chemistry, that comes in Samaveda, that comes in Padala Loka, underground world. So all these are related with the Thrishtup. And here it is related with the electron. So we are considering only about the electron. There are other meanings also which is related with the cow or earth or anything like that based on other chandas. Now let us go to Rigveda, Mandal 6, 8 of Sutta 28 and see what it says.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 6 സൂക്തം 28 ഉപേദമുപ പർജനം ആസു ഘോഷൂപ പൃച്ഛ്യതാം ഉപ ഋഷഭസ്യ രേതസ്യുപേന്ദ്ര തവ വീര്യേ.
It says Indra should give the strength and power to both to the cow and the ox, because here cow and ox is based on other chandas, it is animal. Here cow means electron and ox means proton or nucleus. These are the 2 factors which are taking part in all activities, all in the creation process. If we are doing any preparation of any medicine or anything like that, the parts that the things that comes in this process are electron. One is electron, and it is influenced by the nucleus also. So that is ox. So depending on the strength of the electron, that also is related with the strength of the nucleus. Reactions are taking place between chemical substances. Every action in this universe is a chemical reaction, chemical action. Electrons are taking place and influenced by the strength of the nucleus also. So it says we should give, Indra should give us very powerful electron, then our action will become successful. Now let us go to Rigveda Mandal 6, 4 of Sukta 35 and see what it says.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 6 സൂക്തം 35 4. ഋഷി നരൻ, ദേവത ഇന്ദ്രൻ, ഛന്ദസ് തൃഷ്ടുപ്പ് പങ്ക്തി. സ ഗോമഖാചരിത്രേ അശ്വചന്ദ്ര വാജസ്രവസോ അതിഥേഹി വൃക്ഷഃ വിഭീഷ സുദാഹ ഇന്ദ്രധേനും ഭരദ്വാജേഷു സുതുജോ രുരുച്യ.
It says, it asks Indra to give very good cow, go, or not cow, here it is electron with sufficient energy. We want electron with sufficient energy for taking part in any action, chemical reactions. And Indra is the force which is coordinating the activities. So what Indra does is, it goes to the chemical substance and releases this electron. If two atoms are to be combined, for example A or B, to combine this one, Indra should go to the atom A, and from its orbit electron should be removed, or it is to be taken and joined with the B. Then a bond is forming and these two combines form AB. A plus B is equal to AB. So electrons are being removed from one and transferred it to the other, or using that electron a bond is to be created and it is, these two are to be joined. Thus a new product is formed, AB, from A and B. So Indra is the force or coordinator who does such things. So to combine these two, we should get a powerful electron. Then only it can escape from one atom and go to the other atom to combine. So it tells Indra to give very powerful, very good go, that means electron, so that we will get very good annam. Annam means product. We will get very good product. If we want to produce AB using A and B, we should combine A and B, mix A and B, and heat or do anything like that, so that Indra goes into A and removes the electron and joins it with the help of electron. It is joined with the B and a bond is formed. That bond joins A and B and forms a new product, AB. So we will get the product Anna, that is AB. By combining A and B, we will get a AB, or it may be a medicine or anything like that. It also asks Indra to give electron, a number of electrons, a number of cows. GOKKAL, cow is animal. Here GOKKAL, the word used in this sutta is GOKKAL. GOKKAL means it may be cow or it may be electron. So from one electron we can create a number of electrons. That also is possible. in certain equipments, in chemical reactions, a number of electron can be produced from starting from a few number of electrons. That is a science subject. We are not going deep into it. So that also is possible. From one electron, we can produce multiple. For example, if one electron with the power go to stick another atom, it releases other electrons also. If we throw a stone, we will get a number of mangoes with it. Likewise, with one electron, we can produce a number of electrons in certain equipments in certain reactions. Now, let us go to another sutta, Rigvedam Mandal 10, 1 of Sutta 19, and see what it says.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 10 സൂക്തം 19 1 ഋഷി യമപുത്രൻ മധിധനോ വരുണപുത്രൻ ഭൃഗുവോ ഭൃഗുപുത്രൻ ചവനോ ദേവത തണ്ണീര് പൈക്കൾ അഗ്നി സോമം ഛന്ദസ് അനുഷ്ടുപ്പ് ഗായത്രി നിവർത്തത്വം മാ അനുഗതാസ്മാൻ തിഷക്തരേവതീഹി അഗ്നിശോമാ പുനർവസു അസ്മേ ധാരയതം ജയീം.
He tells Gokkal to not to go anywhere. Come towards me, towards us, because we are getting product and monetary benefit, etc. from you. How? It combines with the Agni or heat or energy and gives us financial benefit, profit, or more products. How? Because if electron is moving from this point to another, it tells not to go anywhere, not to go with another person. It will not go, because we know in the battery electrons are coming from the bottom plate, that pot that is connecting with a wire with the top plus. So electron from bottom goes through the wire, and while passing through this wire, it is giving us light or sound or anything like that, because this wire is connected to radio or anything like that. After that, it will reach the top. It not stop at there. It is starting from the bottom. So after traveling through the wire and reaches at the top plus, then inside the battery, it is moving from that top to bottom. So from where it left, there it come back. That is why it says, don't go with anyone else. Go and do your duty and come back. Electron will, if electron is starting from a generator, say Idiki Dam generator, it will travel through all the countries and does a number of works. Working fan, working machinery, working TV, a number of works it will do. And after that, it will come back when its energy losses. After acquiring some energy from the generator, with the support of that energy, it is going and wandering here and there and doing some work with that energy. When that energy becomes zero, it comes back to this starting point, to the generator. Then Agni, from there Agni or Urja again gives energy to it. Then it will take that energy and again go outside and wander here and there and does a number of works and come back. That is what it says. This electron will not go, it will come back from where it started. And it does work by which we will get a product and a profit. Our monetary portion will improve. Now let us go to Rigveda 10, Mandal 10, 2 of Sutta 90 and see what it says.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 10 സൂക്തം 19-2 പുനരേനാ നിവർത്തയ പുനരേനാന്യ കുരു ഇന്ദ്രയേണാ നിയച്ഛത്യഗ്നിരേനാ ഉപാജതോ.
Say this GOKKAL or electron is doing work for us. It is doing a number of works. It is turning the fan. It is driving the mixie. It does a number of works. It is acting in the TV, AC, everything in the machinery. It takes part in a number of activities with this energy possessed by this electron. So it helps us in a number of ways in doing a number of works. And Indra is giving the Agni or energy for doing such activities. Indra filling the milk. Milk here means energy. It is filling the energy in this electron to do the work. So Indra fills energy, gives energy to electron, and electron wander here and there and does a number of jobs, and after that energy is spent, it will came back to its original portion. Then again Indra will fill the energy and the cycle continues in that way. Now let us go to Rigveda Mandal 10, 3 of Sutta 19 and say what it says.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 10 സൂക്തം 19-9 പുനരേതാ നിവർത്തന്താമസ്മിൻ പുഷ്യന്ത ഗോപദൗ ഇഹൈവാഗ്നനിധാര ഏക തിഷ്ഠതു യാരൈഹി.
Here also it says the same thing. GOKKAL should come to us after wandering here and there and doing the karma. It should come back, and Agni should fill the energy. So it came back when it loses its energy. Then Agni will fill it again, and this electron will again go through the wire and does a number of works, and after losing the energy, it will come back. Now let us go to Sutta 10, Rigveda Mandal 10, 4 of Sutta 19 and see what it says.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 10 സൂക്തം 19-4 യന്നിയാനം നയനം സജ്ഞാനം യത്പരായണം ആവർത്തനം നിവർത്തനം യോഗോപ അഭിതം ഹുവേ.
It says all GOKKALs, all GOKKAL means all electron should be come to us. Then you should go for outside to do work. Then again come back. So a number of electrons are circulating in this way. Not a single go or electron. A number of electrons are flowing. and we have a stock of electrons in our battery. For example, in the car battery, if the number of electrons or GOKKAL is less, the car will not start. We may say it as it is down, battery down. Actually, some cows are the, some GOKKAL are the cow, not cow. Some electrons are there, but that is not enough to start the car. That is why we are recharging it. So it says a number of electrons or GOKKAL should be with us, and it will go outside and do the duty and come back. And it also says those who means here it is mentioned as cowboy who is looking after that cow. In this case it is electron. We can hear that a cowboy, instead of cowboy we can say it as technician or electrician or engineer or anything like that. And he praises him because he is using this energy for doing different types of works. So he is praising that technician or engineer for using these electrons or electricity. Electricity means flow of electrons for doing so many things, due to which the prosperity of this nation is taking place. Now let us go to Mandal 10, Rigveda Mandal 10, 6 of Sutta 19, and let us see what it says.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 10 സൂക്തം 19 യാ ഉദാനട്വയനം യ ഉദാനട്പരായണം ആവർത്തനം നിവർത്തനമപി ഗോപാ നിവർത്തതാം.
He says these go boys or cowboys who are looking after this activity or controlling this activity. Here it may be engineer or technician. It tells that engineer or technician to bring back those electrons to the starting point, toward us. So from us it is these electrons are going from our battery, from our generator, or like that. And these technicians are using this electrical energy for doing some works. It is doing somewhere else. So electrons are taken from our generator and it is carrying by the wire, and after passing through machinery or anything like that, it does a number of works, and after losing its energy, it tells the technician to bring it back to us. Not necessary, it will automatically come here. Now let us go to Rigveda Mandal 10, 6 of Sutta 90 and say and see what it says.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 10 സൂക്തം 19 6 ആ നിവർത്തത പുനർന ഇന്ദ്രഗാദേഹി ജീവാഭിർ പുനജാമഹൈ.
Say these GOKKAL or electrons have a long lifespan, because if the energy of this electron is very powerful, it can be used for several days. For example, if the battery is very powerful, it will last for several days. If the make of this battery is not good, it will easily lose its power. So it say these electrons should possess a very long life. Then it will become beneficial to us, because we are If we are purchasing a battery, we are using we will purchase it looking the lifespan of that battery. We will ask how many years it will work, like that. That is what here it is mentioning. Now let us go to Rigveda Mandal 10, 7 of Sutta 19 and see what it says.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 10 സൂക്തം 19-7 പരിവോ വിശ്വദോ ദധ ഊർജാകൃതേന പയസാ യേ ദേവാ കേച യജ്ഞിയാസ്തേ ദയ്യാ സംസൃജന്തു നഃ.
It says to get a GOKKAL or electron, we are giving Kridam, Annam and Kshiram, etc. That means to produce electrons, we should give certain things, like as far as generator is concerned, we should supply. In the power station, generator are working with the help of water flow, energy obtained from falling water. Using that, the turbine is rotating. But in the case of petrol engine, we are using petrol to start the generator. We can use diesel. Even kerosene also may be used to start some generator, operate some generator. So such materials are to be given to that machine, Devada. It can be say as Devada machine. We are giving such materials to that machine. For example, petrol, diesel or anything like that. Then that generator will create GOKKAL or electricity, which is a flow of electrons. Now let us go to Rigveda Mandal 10, 8 of Sutta 19 and see what it says.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 10 സൂക്തം 19-8 ആ നിവർത്തന വർത്തയാ നിവർത്തന വർത്തയാ ഭൂമ്യാ ചതസ്ര പ്രതിശസ്താഭ്യ ഏന നിവർത്തയാ.
It tells Gopalagar. Gopalagar means here engineer or electrician or technician or anything like that who is using this electron or electricity for doing any work. He tells them to bring back that electron or GOKKAL after doing the work. So what here something is repeating. That means the GOKKAL should come back to the starting point after doing the work. So actually electrons are leaving the generator and it is going through the wire to so many places. Sometimes the generator is in Kerala. This electricity, the GOKKAL created by this generator, is passing through the wire and going to Tamil Nadu or anything like that, and does a number of works. After that, it is returning back to our generator, which is at Idukki. So that is the point which they are repeating several times. That means this electron will come back. Definitely it will come back to the starting point after doing its work, utilizing its energy. When it loses its energy, definitely it will come back. In the battery, electrons are moving from the lower bottom and through the wire it goes to the top after doing work, giving light or anything like that, and reaching at the top, it loses its energy. Then it will go through the battery, through inside the battery, and reaches the starting point, bottom plate. So here we have seen the properties of electron or electricity and its uses and its importance. Now let us go to another subject in the next class in connection with the creation of universe.